Hello friends, I am Pankaj Kumar and in this video I am going to share with you the recent Reserve Bank of India guidelines regarding restrictions in opening of current account. So I will try to explain it with simple situations and simple examples. Situation number 1. Suppose ABC company is a customer. He is having a cash credit or overdraft account in a bank. In this situation, no bank will be in a position to open his current account. So the first situation is very simple. This instruction is from Reserve Bank is very clear that the customer who is having CC or OD account from any bank, he will not open CD current account and no other bank will open his current account. It means all of his transactions must be routed through the cash credit or overdraft account. Situation number 2. Suppose he is having CC or OD account, it means cash credit or OD account from more than one bank. Suppose ABC company is having a CC account of 1 crore in one bank and CC account of 20 crore in other bank. In X bank he is having a limit of 1 crore, in Y bank he is having a limit of 20 crore. And suppose in this situation he has availed all his money from bank Y, means 20 crore is availed. And in this bank X, in 1 crore he has availed only 50 lakhs. Now he approaches bank X to avail his remaining 50 lakhs. In this situation, what will happen? Bank X cannot give him that 50 lakh rupees. So Reserve Bank of India has said that the bank who will be having more than 10% exposure, the combined exposure from the banking system, so that bank only in that bank only he can avail his cash credit account. So in this 21 crores of total exposure from both the bank Y is having 20 crore exposure, it is more than 10%. So in bank Y only he can avail the CC limit. So what will happen? Bank X will remit his 50 lakh rupees to bank Y and bank Y will operate that account, means the customer will operate his account in bank Y. Now situation number 3. Suppose the customer is having equal exposure in both the bank. In bank X also he is having a CC limit of 10 crore rupees and in bank Y also he is having a CC limit of 10 crore rupees. So in that situation what will happen? The borrower and banks will mutually decide which bank will operate his CC or OD account and that bank only will be in a position to operate his CC or OD account. So these are the three situations when the customer is having CC or OD account. Now let us come to an example of the situation where the customer is not having CC or OD account, but he is having some other type of exposure. Suppose he is having a term loans from the banking system. So in that case also there will be three situations. Situation number 1, he is not having CC or OD account, he is having term loan account and the exposure, the other exposure other than CC or OD is more than 50 crores. This is situation number 1. So if the customer ABC company is having more than 50 crore exposure from the banking system, suppose banks are XYZ and from XYZ this ABC company is having total exposure more than 50 crores. So in that case, in XYZ, among XYZ bank, the bank who will be maintaining escrow account, so that bank only will be in a position to maintain his current account. So ABC company will be operating his current account in the bank who is having escrow account. Now suppose X is having escrow account, bank X is having escrow account, then bank X will only operate his current account. So Y and Z, if there is current account in bank Y and Z also, because they are also having exposure to ABC company, then bank Y and Z will operate their current account as collection account. So there will only be credits in that account and that account will be debited and the escrow account of bank X will be credited. So this will be the functionality when the exposure is more than 50 crores from total banking system. And in this case one more important thing is that any other bank, means other than XYZ, any other bank will not be in a position to open current account of ABC company. So this was situation number 1. Situation number 2, whether the combined exposure is more than 5 crore or above and less than 50 crore. So in that case, if the customer is having exposure from XYZ banks, then the XYZ banks, all the three banks can have his current account. But if any other bank wishes to open his current account, then they cannot open his current account. So banks other than XYZ will open simply his collection account. So CD account will not be permitted. So this was situation number 2. Now situation number 3. Suppose his exposure, his combined exposure is less than 5 crore. So in that case, any of the bank can open his current account. Means the lenders who from whom he has taken the loan, that they also can open their current account, and any other bank other than XYZ, if they wish to open his current account, they also can open his current account, provided all these banks, if they are opening his current account, they will have to obtain an undertaking from that customer that as soon as his total exposure exceeds rupees 5 crore, he will have to intimate the particular bank, and then in that case the provision of that situation number 2 will apply in this case. Now the fourth situation, where the customer is having no CC account, no OD account, no any exposure, in that case it is very simple. Any bank can open his current account with proper due diligence. So this was the whole circular, and I tried to explain it in simple terms. So I hope I am in a position to explain you all this circular, and I would like to welcome your suggestions or any query in this regard. My mobile number is 9111 888 495. Thank you friends for watching this video. Thanks a lot.